Hi everyone, this is Sheshe. I'm coming on today to share with you entry number 12 in my 8,000 plus subscriber giveaway. This entry comes from Karen Brake. Thank you, Karen, so much for sending me an entry and also these wonderful goodies. So here is the card. It says Sheshe. I'm going to open this up and see what it is. Okay, she sent me this beautiful card. Look at the marble and purple, my favorite color. This is a beautiful purple and I love the flower. It says congratulations. And then it just says, hi Sheshe, congratulations on your 8,000 subbies. Glad I could participate and hope you like my entry. It is truly a small world. My middle daughter lived in Akron and works in Cleveland. We are from Toledo. Karen, take care, crafty hugs. Wow. Okay. Well, maybe if you're in town, we can meet up sometimes. All right. Thank you so much for that. And then she sent some goodies. This is some really pretty packaging. I like how you did everything. These look like gift card holders. Oh, look at this. I love the bow. Everything is so well color coordinated. Okay, yeah, these, if you handmade these are just so wonderful. I love the colors. These are just perfect. So thank you so much for that. Look at that right there. These are just so professional. So I love that. And then she sent some embellishments. These are just so cute. You definitely do love this. Okay. You did such a great job at this. I wish I knew how to do this. I'm going to have to practice. So, oh, and she sent some stickers too. I didn't get these at Hobby Lobby, but I do have the stamp set. So, these are so cute. I love this little girl. So, thank you. And then we have her entry. Love the shoes. So pretty. So these are my favorites. So this is really cute in gold. So let's see her entry. Okay. All right. So here is her entry. Hope you guys can see this very well. This is so cute with the little chain on the purse. And then you have some little embroidery on there. Look at that. So also on the shoes. So it says these were made for walking. How adorable. All right. Thank you so much. This is really cute. I love this die. I'm going to have to find out what die this is you guys are using. And it's nice and sturdy too. Nice and sturdy. So she gives me her name, her address. Her colors are gray. She likes actually light gray with all colors. She likes to alter things and make embellishments. She has no particular style. Her birthday is in June. She also likes making cards. She loves flowers and butterflies and scenery. And then she gives me her email, and she also has a blog. So that is so cool. I'll have to visit your blog. So again, thank you so much, Karen, for your entry. Again, here's another look at it. So pretty. Love the glitter. So thank you everyone who has sent in an entry or plans to send in one. The entries are rolling in now. Take care and have a fabulous day.